Alright, so I'm going to show you how to open up a Gatorade bottle without breaking the seal. So you want to twist it just where it pops a little bit. Oh, there it is. And then what you're going to do is get some type of device that is plastic preferred, to where you can put it up in that little crevice right there and pry it up just a little bit and go all the way around while twisting this lid to where you can pop up the little seal to where it doesn't break. And you're going to twist it a little bit more, create some tension, and then keep going around the edge to loosen it up a little bit. Oh, there it is. Broke it right there. All the way around. And there you have it, folks. Non-broken seal. You can pour half of this out, fill it up with water if you want. Put the cap back on. Seal is steel sealed. Beautiful.